So I'm Lawson, I attend St. Paul's Collegiate, I'm year 13. Yeah, and I just really love whitewater kayaking, getting out into the outdoors and stuff like that. I use Writer's Toolbox in English, especially last year. I really needed to focus on improving my structure because I did IGCSE in year 11, and that was not a lot of structure and it come with a lot of arguments, whereas NCA is completely different with how they want your essays. So it was really important for me transitioning into level 2 to actually use Writer's Toolbox to learn structure and making sure I'm concise and to the point. Before Writer's Toolbox, I was a good writer in terms of IGCSE, but actually when it was reflected in NCA, I was only able to get achieves at first in year 12. So as my teacher brought that idea of using Writer's Toolbox, getting better techniques, different styles of paragraphs in, that actually helped me become an excellent student. I think Writer's Toolbox has a variety of techniques and a variety of paragraphs to use. So I quite like posing philosophical questions and attacking those, and there's actually a philosophical paragraph, type that you can actually go and use. So that really helped me explore those moral and ethical issues that I could really dig into. My favorite kind of writing is analytical writing, essay writing. That's where I feel like my strength is especially. And so Writer's Toolbox especially helped me break down and be more concise and more analytical when it came to those things instead of going and waffling. You might think you're a good writer and you might think you're quite there, but actually Writer's Toolbox has a lot of things that you can use, and it even has that feedback column and it helps you say you need to shorten your sentences, shorten your paragraphs. So it actually gives a lot of on-the-spot feedback that you sometimes can't quite get because the teacher might be busy helping other students, your peers might be busy with their own work, so it actually helps you get that on-the-spot feedback. So my next writing goal right now is to complete my director study assessment, and I think Writer's Toolbox once again is going to help me once I've got all my ideas out there, actually help structure them, make sure they're good and powerful, and make sure my paragraphs aren't too long, they're to the point, succinct, and going to get me the excellence. Some teachers haven't fully realised the capabilities of Writer's Toolbox yet, and some have. So some of my peers are really into it and some of my peers aren't. So what would be great is if all teachers started using it to the fullest of their extent.